Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to customize the Google Map to suit your website theme. Google Map comes with the default color, but it will not always suit your websites. So let's say our website in black or green theme. This default style map will not look good for that. So thankfully Google has an option to customize the colors and other settings of the map. So now I will be showing how to generate styles for you and how and where to add this on your JavaScript. So this is where I have initialized map and pass options to the map. To create a customized map, you should go to snazzymaps.com where you can find thousands of colored maps. There are a lot of maps and settings already created for you. You can also select one of the tags like complex, grayscale or light, and also you can create your own styles here by clicking on create a style. Actually this is a time consuming work. If you have a lot of time you can do this, but for this demo I'm going to use a style that was already created. So I'm going to explore the styles. So from this I need to choose one of them. Okay, I will choose this subtle grayscale. Now click on it and to get the map style object. So you can expand the code and you can get all of the style object and use it. Or if you want to customize it further, you can click on customize. And then a lot of options like administrative options like country landscape are available for you to change the colors. So let's say I click on landscape and I can change the color of it. Like I can now I'm changing the color of this. So side by side you can see the changes that was applied to the map. So if you want to customize minute parts, you can change all these features. So after completing your customization, you can click on code and you can copy all the code. After you complete it. So now in JavaScript, you need to create a styles object and you need to pass these options to the Google Maps. So the Google Maps will automatically change the color of the map displayed in your website to the color that you have just now created. So the color has been applied, the one which we created from snazzymaps.com. So the same color theme, like which we are seeing here, is applied in my website, or this is a demo website I created for this demo. So you have a lot of options here. You can search, you can sort. So make use of it, guys, and make your website look great. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.